Your parents are not your responsibility, because you have not given birth to your parents. You are the responsibility of your parents because, to be very direct, they had intimate relationship with each other, either conscious or unconscious decision to give birth to you. And as a species, it is the responsibility of the parents to take care of the child till the time the child is independent. Now, this independence is so much subjective that each parent decides whether they are responsible for the independence of the child. Independence of the child means the child should be able to take care of himself or herself till the time that child becomes adult. But in the present world, as I can see, there is no independence in any child, in any person, in any individual, because all the species that is available, human beings available on this planet are just clones of the society, clones of the matrix, clones of the parents themselves. Parents do not make their children independent anymore, and they have never done it in the last few eras of growing up. Maybe in the early times when the human beings were not so evolved, they were just growing up, the evolutionary process was going on. Maybe during that time, after a certain age, parents used to just get free from the children once their adulthood is attained or childhood is over, teenage is over, puberty is attained. But nowadays, parents can trap the child till the age of unlimited time, because nowadays parents invest in their children to get returns on their investment in the form of getting the salary of the job that their children do after certain age. I am speaking in general, not specific to any country or any one in person. I just want to make you aware of the independence that you should get after certain age. If you have become adult, if you are taking responsibility of your life, you should become selfish, extremely selfish you should become. And especially I am addressing to the men who can live an independent life, and that is how my role as a guru, as a master, as an expert comes here. I can make you an alpha male, I can make you a person who is taking individual and independent responsibility of his life. And for that, the most important responsibility is financial independence. By doing a job, you cannot gain financial independence. Financial independence is totally a different concept, and financial independence is different from being financially free. Being financially free denotes to a time or a particular stage of your financial state where you no more need to do any work to earn money. Maybe from your investments, no, maybe from your business, or maybe from all other different sources of income, you are getting your income source and you are invested in your life the way you want to have your life. But financial independence, which I am talking about, is totally different to live the life purpose. Financial independence means that you are a man, you have high level of testosterone, you have high level of confidence on yourself, and you know that you have money for a particular period of time, and even if you need more money, then you can earn with your efforts through different businesses, through different enterprising ideas, through different creative ideas, or maybe some inventions that you will do. It is totally different, and since I have made alpha male who are powerfully operating in this world, that is why I can guide you towards a definite direction where you know exactly what you want to do with your independence. So first of all, if you are already supporting your parents unnecessarily and they are caging you in their trap by emotionally blackmailing you, and you are actually a victim of their blackmailing, then the first thing that you need to do is to leave your parents, and you have to go all out on your own in a different land, in a different country, in a different continent. You have to change the place of your origin, and this is must to become an alpha male. More about alpha male you will come to know when you can contact my team, and how you can participate in the 1-year project of becoming an alpha male. And let me tell you the clarity behind becoming an alpha male. Alpha male is not of this world. Alpha male is not at all of the matrix. Alpha male is the one who is having the highest consciousness, and he is having the highest masculine energy to operate in the world on his own terms. He exists, others adjust. And if you want to become an alpha male, you have to get rid of all the addictions, you have to get rid of all the different kinds of addictions that you have to be healthy. Only a healthy man with the high level of testosterone, with the high level of dopamine release and a high level of life purpose can become the one which I am creating. Alpha male is a new species, it is not available in this world. It is the next level of evolution that happens when you actually leave the matrix, when you actually leave the society, when you actually leave your parents. And your parents cannot ever make you an alpha male. An alpha male is a powerful male who has all the control of his life. He is not dependent on the destiny created by the society, world, matrix, and he is not at all a victim of the present setup of the infrastructure provided by the world. He makes use of the infrastructure for his own evolution. Everything is available in the world, but how do you make use of it? So it is a dynamic, transformative, instinctive and unpredictable life of the male who makes use of everything, including females, in his entire journey. So if you are interested in becoming an alpha male, then I am here for you. Thank you and bye-bye.